Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my Edikangikong. I know I always struggle to pronounce that, but anyways, in this pot I have my cow leg, which is also called Bokoto, and I'm just adding some Maggi and salt, and then I'm going to boil it for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest of my other meat. That's because the cow leg takes longer to boil, so yeah. One thing I should also say is that you should try to control the amount of water that you add to it, if that makes sense. Like, don't add a lot because it's a one pot soup. So whatever water you add now is still going to be it's going to decide how your soup turns out, if that makes sense. But I like a lot of water in my soup, so I really didn't mind, adding water basically. And yeah, and I also forgot to add the stockfish here. So like after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add it, and I'm cooking everything for like 30 minutes as well. So then I'm gonna add my pepper mix to it, and it's roughly blended. It's basically just sweet bell pepper and scotch bonnet, so just tatashi and rodo basically, and some onions. That's all I added to it to blend it. And then I'm using blended crayfish because I don't like seeing crayfish in my soup. But I like the flavor that it adds to the soup. So now I'm going to add my palm oil. I didn't add a lot. It looks like a lot, but I promise you it wasn't a lot. It was just like a little amount of palm oil that I added to it. And I can't believe that growing up, I used to always think this soup was very complicated. Like, I thought, oh my god, Edikangikong, that must be one complicated soup. And then, but then when I tried out the recipe, I was like, wow. Like, when my mom was just even saying it to me, like, this is how you did it, I was like, really? Like, this is it? Like, so that's it? That's all I have to do? And I waited this long. I waited how many years just to learn it? Like, wow. But yeah. So at this point, I didn't really cover the pot anymore. So, but this, the pepper, I can't speak. The pepper and everything was cooking for like 6 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes basically. But I didn't really cover the pot. And then when the oil is starting to rise to the top, I'm gonna add my water leaf. For those that don't know, this is water leaf, also known as gure. I don't think I'm saying it right, but anyways, there's a picture showing you what it looks like when you get it from the market. So I basically just cut them and then washed them because there's a lot of sand in them. And yeah, and then I'm just going to leave it to steam for like a few minutes, then mix it, then cook it for like a few minutes again. So a few minutes, like 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add Ugwu. I'm also going to show you what it looks like when I bought them. I don't know, I didn't take a picture or something, but yeah. And you have to cut them and wash them properly as well. There's always sand in these things. And then you're doing the same thing. Let it steam up and then open it, mix it, and then cook it for a bit as well. And then yeah, your Edikangikong is ready. Hey. So my Edikangikong is ready, and it was so yummy. Oh my god. Obviously, like, you can reduce the amount of meat that you add to yours, but this was so lovely. And I had mine with pounded yam. If you're having your Edikangikong with amala, you're not appreciating the beauty and the taste of the soup. That's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, with pounded yam, oh my lord, it's so lovely. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and share with your family and friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.